Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set up Apple Pay Later for Buy Now Pay Later on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. Next, tap on Add Card. Then tap on Set up Apple Pay Later. And in here, tap on the Continue button. So it said here, pay for purchases in for interest-free payments every 2 weeks. Tap on the Continue button and then tap on Next on the Get Started page. Next, enter the amount that you would like to use. So we want to request an amount to spend up to $1,000. Then tap on Next. Next, go down here. It's a payment plan example. So this is an example of what it looks like. Then tap on Continued. And so processing your information. On the next page, we need to verify your information. So just fill in your information and then we can verify that info. Next, you need to put in your address. So go ahead and put in the address. And from here, you can follow the on-screen instruction to complete the setup of your application. So if you successfully applied and you have been approved, then you'll be able to use Apple Pay Later. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.